Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So don't mind this is like a different setup on my bed. I have products in the back, my skincare products. I just did an unboxing for my my other channel. Not my other channel, my other video for my entrepreneur vlog. But in today's video, we are going to be unboxing my new camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I also got a few accessories with it, like extra lens and batteries and stuff. So if you want to see that, please keep watching. So I got the Canon M50, as you guys can already see from the title, but I got a Canon M50 and I actually got it on sale. So I actually wanted to really get this camera for a while. I was debating between this one and the Canon G7X Mark II, but you can actually change the lenses on the Canon M50. So I decided to get that. Originally it is like $649, but just one day, like a month ago, it was $499. And with tax, it came about $533, so I decided to get it. That was a good price. Usually you only see that price on Prime Day or Black Friday, so that was like an unexpected deal. So I don't know if I should unbox that first, or I'm just gonna unbox the camera first. So this is the box. Usually it looks much bigger, but guys, it's so small. Like, it's super small. Like, this is my hand. The box is like my hand. I thought it was gonna be like this. Like, I see people unboxing it, but then when they have it, they say it's much smaller than they expected. But this is the manual. Probably not gonna read it. So this is my very first camera. This is the strap. You get a nice strap, like a Canon strap, so your camera doesn't fall. Then we have the battery. Can you come out? Excuse me. This is the battery. It comes with some kind of protective thing. Then we have the charger. This is the charger that you just put in the wall mount, and then you just put the battery here. While we're gonna be busy with unboxing, I'm just going to put the battery in, and then it's supposed to be charging and then full. I'm just gonna put this to charge and keep unboxing. So the reason I put it to charge is because I want to show you guys the camera, but don't want to wait too long. And you need to have the battery, of course. So that is about it. I thought there was gonna be a memory card in this. Guess not. Then we have the lens. The lens is super small, guys. I thought it was gonna be much bigger. And this is the cap, like the protective cap. Oh my god, did I break it? Oh, did I break it? No? Okay. But then I have a memory card. This was $20, I think, on Amazon. I'm gonna place every single link in the description box if you guys want to get it. But this is, I searched up which was the good one for the Canon. And I didn't want to buy a whole kit with the bag and everything, because I felt like I didn't need a bag or an extra tripod or something. But this is 128 gigabyte. I think this was the best one instead of just getting a 32 and deleting stuff or so. Anyway, I also got a mount for my car where you could just screw on the dashboard, just so I can vlog better. And then I have a extra battery. This one was $20 too, I think. This is an extra battery pack, so I can take this on the go whenever that one runs out, because I heard that the battery does not last long. So I got two. And this one actually works with a USB instead of just putting it in the outlet. So that's that. Now I also have I got a extra lens because they said this is not the best in low lighting, and I actually got the Canon Nifty 50, and with that you need a adapter. So I got the Filtrox adapter. There are actually more expensive adapters, but I just got a simple adapter. They also have an instructions manual here. I got this one. This one is $40 on Amazon, but actually $38. Comes in a nice case. Anyway, this is the lens. The adapter. And the last but not least, we're gonna go get to the camera. Don't worry. This is the Canon lens that I got. This is the 50mm, and it has a better aperture than the original lens. This one goes till of 3.5 or 4, and the more you zoom in, the less aperture. So I just got an extra lens to see how this works. You get manual book. They kind of look the same. This is the Nifty 50 lens. They call it the Nifty 50. So it is the Canon 50, and also this is renewed. You can actually get this renewed or new. I just got it renewed. I've never ever had a camera. Oh my gosh. So they had a white one and they had this one. And the Canon Nifty 50 lens was $125. Look how beautiful she is. We're gonna name her Gracie. So you can actually mount a tripod or something there. I think you also have a... Aren't you supposed to have a flash or something? Oh! Take a look! We're gonna put the normal lens first. And it clicks. So this is it. And then you can remove it. And I think you also zoom in with this. What is this? Oh! I opened the lens. And you can also close it back. Shouldn't you? Yeah, okay. Let's put the memory card in it. In. Or like the touch screen, you can use it many ways. You can turn it like this, or you can turn it like this. Also to the bottom. And you can also... Wait, shouldn't you be able to... Yeah, like this. And then you can also look at like that. So we're gonna turn her on. So I'm gonna do a quick setup with my time, date, and everything. This is touch screen, so it should be fast. I've started to record, and this, I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm also gonna insert a side by side, but let me just... I like it so much, so you can actually look at yourself and vlog. So I'm also gonna test this lens with you guys and show you also this lens versus this lens. This lens will also give you like a bokeh effect. So that would be nice, like a really bokeh effect. Bokeh as in a blurry background, but let me see the autofocus. Are you guys seeing this? You can also tap on it. Look, it goes back so fast. Let me see. This is a thank you card. I'm impressed. So I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm also gonna put the other lens on. And then also has like a autofocus and manual focus button, which the normal lens does not have. Hi guys. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know if you have this camera and if you're really excited. Even with this adapter and lens, it's not bulky at all, like not bad. I also have a flash and everything, so I'm really gonna have to experiment with this and see everything. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I will see you guys in my next video with a brand new camera. Bye bye.